Hey, Kev. Where are we at today?
We are in Punta Gorda, Florida.
We're in Punta Gorda, Florida. We're down here near downtown and Laishley Park. Hey, I almost fell over a rock. Now you can see this trail is a bike trail, and where those people are going, you can go off in that direction also along the mangroves, along the Peace River. Very, very nice and smooth for biking and skating. We're gonna go to my left this a ways. Let's go, Kev. Kev, lead the way. So this trail is, as you can see, really lovely. On this section is very smooth and great for skating. And Punta Gorda is a small city on Charlotte Harbor in the Peace River in Southwest Florida. It's a really beautiful little town. And yeah, we want to just show you some of our local Southwest Florida tourism here. This trail is a nice, smooth trail. Well, most of it's smooth, I should say, for skating, biking, running, being outside in nature, whatever you want to do. So yeah, we're going to just give you a quick tour through here. We're going to be going along this mangrove boardwalk. We have some little footprints
Peace River.
to the Peace River, following along the Peace River today in our tour. So hello, we get up here to the boardwalk, and you have to be a little mindful of the cracks in the boards, but just, oh, watch it. Look at how beautiful the Peace River is. So peaceful. All right. Yeah, you got to watch it a little bit on the boardwalk section. Mind the cracks, mind the gaps. We're going downhill. Let's go. Moving along, people. The Peace River. Hello. Oh yeah, beautiful dog there. And we're skating along. This section of the sidewalk's a little older. Hi, puppy.
Lots of beautiful dogs.
Lots of beautiful dogs out here. Little windy, but we're going through this area of mangrove. That is the edge of the river, the mangrove here, which y'all probably already know this, I think. Maybe not, I guess it depends where you live. But mangroves are super important for the protection of our coast, especially when we get big storms, to keep the whole thing from eroding away as far as the sandy coast of Florida goes. So yeah, mangroves are so important. You look down at those roots and they are helping to hold it all together. All right, so moving on. Hello. And we're carrying on down here. There's some condos to my left, but more importantly, the Peace River to my right, and the boardwalks below my feet. But we're gonna come up toward Laishley Park here shortly. Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever it is at this point.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So we're coming up through the river here, along the Peace River. It's a very beautiful day.
Popcorn, look at that.
Ah, yeah. Hello. They got some popcorn. I think there's a farmer's market that happens in downtown Punta Gorda, I believe on Saturday mornings, and this is a Saturday. So I think there's more people out and about, you know, getting their produce and their popcorn and local honey and all that good jazz. But yeah, the Peace River flows into Charlotte Harbor, and it is a beautiful natural river. If you're into like water stuff, you know, kayaking, that kind of stuff, watch it, Kev. Watch it. Now run through the grass. There you go. All right, now we're coming into Laishley Park, I believe, or Laishley? Is it Laishley? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. But one important feature of this park is this monument to Hurricane Charlie. We all remember Hurricane Charlie around here because it was kind of a surprise storm that turned fast before they thought it would. And it made landfall right here, basically, in Punta Gorda in 2004. So this statue is to symbolize the resilience of the people of Punta Gorda after Hurricane Charlie. And it's called the Spirit of Punta Gorda. So that's pretty cool. And then recently we had Hurricane Ian, which basically followed the same path as Charlie. Interestingly enough, 18 years later, but it was a lot bigger of a storm. And we still see some boats that are wreckages from Ian in September of 2022, yeah. A lot of people lost a lot. But the thing about Punta Gorda as a city is that since Hurricane Charlie in 2004, everything has been kind of like rebuilt around here. So there's a lot of very, a lot of very hurricane resilient structures and people around here because they learned from Charlie. All right, so that's the bridge going over to Port Charlotte. And yeah, this is a really fun, hey again. Yeah, this is a really fun area to skate. Like I say, we didn't even cover all of this trail that you can skate on, this concrete trail, because you can go the other direction, all along the mangroves, along the Peace River, heading east. Oh, hey, Kev, that was fancy. But now we're heading west, and this is the marina over here to the left. We're coming up toward the marina, just next to the bridge here. And yeah, I guess we will wrap it up here, folks. So if you should happen to be in Southwest Florida and you want to check out Punta Gorda, this can be a fun adventure skate. And we didn't even do the whole thing because usually our camera won't last that long. But hope y'all enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Whoa, all right. Bye-bye.